Hi there. In this video, we are looking at the topic, can you turn cedar on a lathe? You can also read the full in-depth blog post by going to the link below. We welcome you to Home Tools Pro. So, can you turn cedar on a lathe? A wood turner is well versed in the many varieties of wood available and the health and safety issues that come with working with them. Is turning on a lathe with cedar a viable option, and can cedar be turned on a lathe at all? The simple answer is yes, you can turn cedar on a lathe. However, there are a few things to keep in mind when working with this wood. Cedar is softwood, which means that it is not as strong or durable as hardwoods like oak or maple. This makes it more challenging to work with and more likely to break or chip. In addition, cedar contains a high amount of resin. This can make the wood sticky, which can make it difficult to turn. Resin can also build up on your tools, making them more challenging to use. Finally, cedar has a very distinctive smell. Some people find this pleasant, but it can be overwhelming. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area or wear a respirator if you are sensitive to smells. In the full blog post, we have done hours of research, and divided the topic into the following subtopics. Number 1. Lathe turning of cedar, pros and cons of the process. Number 2. Cedar's qualities as a material for woodworking. Number 3. Is cedar dust dangerous? Number 4. The bottom line about turning cedar wood on a lathe. So, there you go. We go into much detail in our blog post about the above topic. The blog article is more than 1,500 words. And we dive into each of the above topics, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside.